Hi guys, so this review we're going to be trying mild salt Doritos. I got these from my July box from Tokyo Treat. Yes, it finally arrived. We're going to give these a shot, see how they are. So let's try these here. Give you guys a look at the back of the bag first though. I feel really crumbled up a lot, so I don't know how intact these are. I don't really smell much of anything. It does say mild salt, right? Look at the chip there. Basically, these are just plain Doritos. No salt or anything. Just like plain tortilla chips, basically. They do suggest you dip these in dip. They do taste good, but I prefer to dip tortilla chips in like salsa or something, but they don't taste bad. Nice texture there. I'm gonna try this one and give my rating. I'm not quite sure yet though. Basically, it just tastes like Tostitos. Nothing special. We definitely need something to kick these up a notch. They're not horrible, but not really good either. Sorry, I lied. One more. Well, right now I'm thinking 2 out of 5. They aren't bad, but they're really, really plain. I don't like things that are really plain when it comes to tortilla chips. If I do get something plain tortilla chips, I usually get salsa or a little bit of salsa or something to dip these in. They aren't bad. I do have some flavor, like very, very mild, bland flavor. If you do see these around, be able to find these in Asian market or something like that, I'd really suggest you try them. But I don't know. I would definitely dip these in something. And Rickard says they're #1. Probably in Japan. Anyhow, I encourage you guys to try these. Let me know in the comments if you tried Japanese Doritos, what your favorite flavor is, or what your favorite Doritos are. And yeah, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that bell. Bye, guys.